Welcome back. Today we're taking a clean, complete look at the 2026 Lexus LX700h and what makes it one of the most advanced luxury SUVs Lexus has ever built. The LX700h is powered by a twin-turbo V6 paired with an electric motor in a hybrid system designed for strength as much as efficiency. Combined output sits in the mid-450 horsepower range, with instant torque delivery from the electric motor. In real-world driving, that means smooth launches, confident overtakes, and effortless highway cruising despite the vehicle's size. Power is sent through a 10-speed automatic transmission to a full-time four-wheel drive system, giving the LX strong traction in all conditions. Unlike many hybrids, this system is engineered for durability. The battery and electrical components are protected for water, heat, and rough environments, allowing the LX700 to handle off-road driving, deep puddles, and harsh climates without compromise. Lexus also includes an onboard power supply feature, letting the vehicle provide electricity for camping gear or emergency use, which adds real-world practicality. On the road, the LX700h feels refined and stable. Adaptive suspension smooths broken roads while keeping body movement controlled. Steering is calm and predictable, making long drives relaxing, while optional performance-focused trims sharpen handling slightly without hurting comfort. It's not a sporty SUV, but for its size, it feels confident and planted. Fuel efficiency improves compared to non-hybrid versions, especially in city driving where the electric motor does more work. You won't get small car mileage. But for a full-size luxury SUV with this level of power, the balance between performance and efficiency is impressive. Design-wise, the LX700h carries a bold but elegant presence. The large grille, sharp LED lighting, and muscular body lines give it authority on the road. From the side, the proportions emphasize strength, while the rear design stays clean and upscale. Every angle reflects a mix of luxury and toughness. Inside, the cabin is quiet, spacious, and built with premium materials. Soft leather, real wood, and metal accents dominate the interior. The seats are wide and supportive, designed for long journeys. You can have 3 rows for family use or a more luxurious setup with fewer seats and added comfort features. The infotainment system uses large screens with both touch and physical controls, keeping things easy to use while driving. Safety technology is comprehensive. Advanced driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane support, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree camera views. These systems work smoothly in the background, reducing stress without feeling intrusive. Off-road capability remains a core strength. Multiple terrain modes, crawl control, locking differentials on certain trims, and a strong ladder frame platform allow the LX700 to tackle mud, sand, rocks, and steep trails. This is not just a luxury SUV that looks rugged, it's one that can genuinely leave the pavement behind. The LX700h is positioned at the high end of the market, and ownership costs reflect that. However, Lexus focuses heavily on long-term reliability, and this hybrid system is built to last. For buyers who want one vehicle that can handle luxury commuting, family duties, towing, and off-road adventures, it offers rare versatility. In the end, the 2026 Lexus LX700h delivers a unique blend of power, refinement, and capability. It's ideal for drivers who want premium comfort without giving up strength or real-world usefulness. This isn't just a luxury SUV, it's a flagship that shows how hybrid technology can enhance performance, durability, and everyday driving all at once.